One of the things that I love to do when cutting out pattern pieces, I cut all of my pieces by hand. So I like to get my pieces put together and then use a laminator over the pieces, and that just makes it really easy to trace, you know, over and over without the paper wearing down, bending, you know, writing all over it, accidentally cutting. So I'm just going to show you guys how I do that. Just going to get all of my pieces cut out. So I have a sewing event coming up, the Sewcations by Sewbestie. It's in Vegas. I want to say the 9th, July 9th through like the 11th or something. But anyway, I'm teaching 2 classes. One of the classes is the lily tote. So I am about to start making all of my kits. And I definitely need to have laminated pieces for that. So that's what I'm working on now. This is the lily tote. This is the last pattern that I came out with. It comes with 2 size options. This is the small. Now, the great thing about doing this is that if you have pieces that, like extra little pieces that need to be done, you can just slide them all into one sheet. So the lamination sheets look like this, and they open up. Okay? So you can stick a whole page in before you cut and make the cuts. I like to cut first. Because I had to print these out on 2 different pieces of paper, I was not able to just keep the whole paper. So that's why I've pre-cut mine. And I am just going to get that put in. Okay, for this version, there's just a little button in the back. I'm going to turn it on. When it's ready, the green light will come on, so let's get started. What we're gonna do is just slide this in, and we're gonna slide it in from the side that's already sealed, the edge that's sealed. So that means that it closes this way. There are placements on here. So for a regular sized paper, you can see it's telling you to center it right there. So that's what I'm going to do. Oops, my pieces are shifting around trying to show you guys. Just to make sure it's in the right spot before you put it through, because once it goes through there, that's it. All right. Now I'm just going to feed it in. Now if you have a piece that's a little too big to fit, like you see this one sticking out, all I'm going to do is just grab another sheet. They come in a package of like, I want to say like 100. So you get a pretty good amount, maybe 15 bucks or so. So you get a lot to work with. So I've got this one stuffed in. I'm just going to open it up from the other side and stick it in. So my middle is going to be doubled, which is great because I actually like it to be as thick as possible. And you don't have to double it all the way. If you want, you could just cut a piece off. Like let's say I cut this piece about right here, just enough to cover what's left. And I could take that piece and fold it over. And then I would still have this remnant. Okay, so if you wanted to save it, you don't have to use the whole thing to double up. But I like to have mine as thick as possible, so that's what I'm going to do. But these pieces can be cut off and used. It doesn't have to stay in the size of one sheet, right? All right, so I'm just gonna stick this in. There we go. Close it. All right, and now I'm just gonna repeat that same process. All right, perfect. Okay, so my Lily Tote class is going to have 20 students. So I'm going to be making 20 kits, and I just thought that I would show off some of my Love Lola vinyl that I'm using for these kits. Yeah, I like to try to have a variety of prints instead of making them all the same, and then I'll just lay them out in the front of the class, and I'll let the participants come and pick them out for themselves. So just showing a little bit of what we are working with for this class. Because I am making so many cuts, I decided to double up the pattern template so that I didn't have to do cut on fold, and I'm just showing you guys what I'm doing now. I am just tracing out the pieces one by one. I can get 4 of these per roll, and I'm showing you the underside, so I do double up my vinyl on this. I have that way I'm cutting 2 pieces at once.
Two hours later.
Whew. Oh, God. All right. I have got all of my Lily Tote exteriors cut out. This is for the classes I'm going to be teaching at Sewcation by Sewbestie in Vegas in about 2 weeks. I'm getting all my kits started. These are the Lily Totes. So I'm pretty excited to have this done. If you're taking the class, I hope that you see some prints that you like. And I'll see you guys soon.